Yeah, because they put a whole me in there. Open it up. And they show when we sit down at the consultation. Look, y'all. Da 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 da. Here he is, the one and only. Tell the world who you are.
I am Bram.
Yes.
Thaddeus Simeon, that is my name. I am the CMOS farmer in Labrie, and I have the best quality of CMOS in St. Lucia. I produce
So
the
get
best
ready.
quality. So get ready to get the best quality of CMOS in St. Lucia.
St. Lucia, you hear that? Thank you so much, Brad.
You're welcome.
You have
It's
no
my
idea
pleasure.
what a pleasure it is to meet
Yeah.
you because I've already heard about
Yeah.
you. People already told me about
Yes.
you. Everybody knows I'm the CMOS queen,
Okay.
and I'm in the CMOS capital of the world.
All right.
And Bram is the CMOS
is the
king.
CMOS king.
Love and respect,
Yeah, all
king.
right, real
I look
love.
forward to doing business with you.
Love unto the universe.
To the universe. Love and
Because
respect.
I am connected with nature, and I want to connected first with Africa because we all belongs to Africa, and we all